It's fast and easy to find an affordable GoDaddy domain and connect it to Shopify. And if you use my link in the description to go to GoDaddy, you can get an additional discount. I'll click that link. Now search for whatever domain you're looking for. I'll do jacobellieadvertising.com. Click search. It will tell you if it's available. If not, go back and search again. If it is, click make it yours to add it to cart. Click no thanks, then click continue to cart. We want no thanks and then no domain protection. Uncheck start a website, then click continue to cart. Switch from 2 years to 1 year. Click I'm ready to pay. Create an account if you don't have one already, and if you have an existing account, sign in. I'll do continue with email, fill out email, username and password, then do create account. Fill out your details, then click save. And then you'll fill out all your payment details. Click review order, and when you do complete purchase, the domain is yours. Now let's connect it to Shopify. Log into your Shopify account. Then click the gear that says settings in the bottom left-hand corner, choose domains. The next step is to click connect existing domain, type in your GoDaddy domain, click next. Click connect automatically, and there's a couple more steps after we've connected it. Double check that it's the right profile. Click connect. And next we'll make it the URL for our store. It can take up to 30 minutes to show SSL or to move on from setup in progress. Once it's ready, we'll set this domain as the URL for our shop, click on the domain, and then do set as primary, but we'll need to verify this domain if we want to do anything with Facebook or Instagram ads. But I walk you through exactly how to set it up quickly in this tutorial right over there. I will see you there if you're doing anything with Facebook.